Most people aren't listening to you, they are waiting for their turn. So, did you remember the last week you had a conversation with your friend where you cut them in the mid sentence to say something? It is nature. It happened by anyone. Like it can be happen from me too. Like I have did this week. Like my while my mom was telling me a story about how this man handled this situation in a very calm manner, and how he handled this situation in calm manner, then in this chaotic situation. So I like I cut my mom in mid sentence to speak up. So uh, that's the thing that we human did very frequently. But what it cost? Did you ask? And I have never asked. But now, while analyzing the thing, that I know it costs too huge. As a founder, while you are talking to your customers, like while you are talking to, while you are talking to your customers, they like you are trying to find the best answer while they're talking. Like I'm talking to a customer that how Veron did this thing and how Veron is going to help. And when they are talking about that problem, I'm preparing my answer to just go on there. So I like if I never listen and understand the thing, so it can never be helpful. That conversation is like meaningless because I'm just waiting for my turn to just reply. It's a completely nonsense thing. Because like while I'm selling the something to someone who needs it, I need to first understand what actually they need. Like while almost like we people tell talk to your customers, but how to talk to your customers? This is the most important thing. I like talking to you. Like while talking to your customers, when your customers are telling their problems, we just listen to them. It's the common thing. Like as a founder, I had did this thing. Like we just listen to them and just try to give the best possible answer for them. We never understand the things. That's the first only thing that we never understand it properly. Like we are just like your product do this. Like yes, we of course we did its best way and we are just glamorous. We trying to prepare the best answers, and that's where the founders we are not like the great thing we are going to do. It's all put you in that a false thing, a false step. Like you are feeling like you are doing a great thing, like you are talking to customers and you are implementing the things, but it is by your mind, like what you are going to think about the products. First, you while you are talking to someone, you need to understand what the thing are they are telling. Like most of the people do the same mistake, and in founders we do the same mistake while talking with customers and even with investors. Many times we are talking with them like to just reply them how fast and precise we got them reply, and that's not the point. We need to understand what the person is going to tell, right? So that's the most important thing. We need to improve, like we need to learn to understand. Just uh, even these days AI can listen, but major thing that we human as a human we had is like understanding. AI doesn't have to like understand emotions like us, and never understand the feelings like we human did. So we need to understand what the other person is uh, talking about, understand their behavior, understand their feelings, what they are conveying, their messages. So we need to understand rather than just listen. So it's my request to every person and every founder who are building something: don't just listen, try to understand.